Alright guys, well, I'm at Tim's house today finally. We've had a little bit of a break here, but finally back, and we're getting some update on the Cressida today.
We're gonna go get my car.
He's gonna go pick up his car. We had it at Adam's shop. He was making some motor mounts, and then what else did he do?
Let's see, we did motor mounts, trans mounts, clutch pedal, bracket, custom headers. What else did he do?
I don't know, a bunch of stuff. Go check out Adam's page if you haven't. I'll link it here.
248 Fab.
248 Fab.
I've seen this thing on TikTok where everyone who comments, you know, we write their name on the car. We're not doing that. That shit's so dumb.
So, okay, you already went through the steps it needs to run.
Yeah, basically.
Needs a couple things before we can start it up.
I've got the intake manifold, not the intake manifold, the thing that opens and closes.
Throttle body?
Throttle body, yep. I've got that. I gotta find a shorter belt because Adam got rid of the AC compressor because we don't need it. Yeah, I mean, it's just gonna come down to, I mean, obviously a few big things, and then it's just gonna be all the small stuff.
Nice.
It will be nice.
You drifting it?
After I do the axle, I want to drive it, just cruise around with the stock axle, but I think as soon as I put any clutch kick or anything in there, it's gonna snap the axle. So, some daily action over here.
Speak up a little bit.
Sorry, I just sneezed, my throat's hurting. Some daily action over here. We got, don't look at the curb, I didn't do that. Some guy in Japan did that. But we got the new Akibono brakes, at least in the front. The rear, the kit I bought didn't come with rear banjo bolts for the calipers. So I gotta find those. And then I'll have big brakes all around. I shouldn't have bought these, but they're cool. Like, I spent way too much money on brakes on a car that didn't go.
Yeah.
But it looks good. And I also got some really sick new Advan tires. Maybe a new sponsorship coming up with the channel. Maybe.
Chances kind of low, but
hit us up.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Gonna bring you an update on the Cressida. I know that it's been a fat minute since we even talked about it or had any videos up on the channel about it, so we'll jump right into it. So I know we just finished up, I showed you that footage of when we just got the car back from Adam. Really can't remember what it looked like the last time we put a video out of it, but it I want to say it's more together than it was before. Got the 1UZ rigged to just kind of wire, trying to get the first start still. Basically just went from the link harness and went straight into the main engine harness. So it is going to be kind of like a jumper type deal on the Link G4X. But it is getting there. But in today's video, I really don't know if I'm going to try and start it. Don't know if I'm going to work on this. Gotta get the headers on still. But we'll see where we go and keep you updated on where it gets to. Alright, so I did decide that I'm not going to work on the wiring today, or at least at this moment. There's a lot to do. It's a lot for me, because I really don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to work on this. Going to wrap up this header and just get it looking a little bit nicer. Probably gonna go through and cut these off because I just don't need them. I know Connor went through, it was probably like last year, maybe in the year before, and just kind of wrapped this real quick. Doesn't look the best, but it'll work. But I'll get right to it. We'll go right into a time lapse here. Finish it up. It's not the prettiest, but it is wrapped. I think it looks a little bit cleaner than the color I had going on. Maybe just about the same, but regardless, it's on. So I can at least start working on getting them in the car and go from there. Oh, that was pretty awful. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Got it. Hopefully the harness is routed right. I have no idea if it's supposed to run under or supposed to run over. So I gotta throw the other one in and we'll see how that goes. Progress is progress. Alright guys, video cut out last time I was working on it, battery died. This is another day. I got Jacob here. Went and grabbed some vacuum line, some Chipotle. Gonna go through today, put the other header on. Probably gonna mess with the vacuum. Maybe try to fire it up. We'll see how it goes. What a mess. It's choo-choo.
In the office, in the area of operations, looking up some diagrams, help us with the one you see. Vacuum routing. Hopefully we'll find
Dude, I hate vacuum routing so much. It's such bullshit. That's the one. It doesn't even like for the UGR connector. I don't have it in there.
No, yeah. A lot of your vacuum lines are not going to be used.
I think we should have plugs.
Also, we got some stickers out here. Tim's, Tempest, Garage 33 as well. A couple of Night Souls. Definitely some more ideas coming up in the stickers.
Lots and lots of ideas. You got a whole setup. Bro.
Yep.
It's gonna be out. It's gonna be happening. I'm gonna be opening up my own shop.
We'll see.
No, dude. Websites put together. I just gotta add the products.
Yeah, we got some ideas, so keep an eye on that.
Yeah, you like this right here.
Yeah.
I don't think I have that piece.
Yeah, we have to figure out whoever did that. Talk to him. That looks good. Yeah, that's what we need. That's pretty good. That's all important stuff. In the garage.
Just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Try to take a look at the vacuum lines on this one UZ. Yeah, decently similar. No, this is definitely the right engine.
This is the right engine.
Alright, so we just found a bit of a problem. We've got no hard lines for the vacuum whatsoever. So,
We'll have to do it direct.
no. We're gonna go check over here on the good old spare 1UZ.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that should be on the front of the manifold.
Let's see what we got.
There's some hard lines on there.
Dude, there we go. Golden.
Nice.
That shit's sick. Shout out Lexus for the sponsor. We don't have yet. Yeah, let's get this thing to go. Get it to work. Boom. Gonna check and see if we got a block off plate for this guy back here. I'm pretty sure I had one made. I just gotta locate it. Jacob's checking the trunk. It might be in that box. Look at that, we found it. Just gonna go ahead and gotta drill out these holes a little bit more. The spacing's not perfect. Get it to fit. Jacob is testing out a random gasket we found laying around.
It's definitely for this.
Alright, there we go. Cool. I'll probably use some RTV on it anyways.
Yes.
I'll get a drill it out real quick. I bored it out a little bit. If it didn't work this time, I'm just gonna go at it hard. Nah, I don't think it's enough. Nah, it needs like a decent amount. Need to take a good chunk out of it.
Yep, try it again.
Alright, it's all bored out.
Cleaned up.
So I think Jacob has got a good point that we're just gonna try and fire it up, figure out the vacuum source, and also see if this beauty knocks. Be really cool, you know, if it whole bottom end's just toast, but we'll find out soon, hopefully. Alright, gonna go through and see what trigger is working and what's not. Alright, I'm putting power to it. ECU power.
Yeah. Alright. Let's take a look at our injectors, sensors, everything. Where should we start? Digital. Just making sure we have the GPS wired correctly. Yeah. Hold on, do that again. Alright, so something weird. It wasn't TPS. That's analog volt 1 is wired to MAP. We don't even have a MAP. So we're gonna have to change that. Let's just make sure that what you are moving is wired to what's called MAP on the ECU. Find the TPS wire.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be somewhere over here. I'll reference our clipboard that we made last time we were making the wiring. TPS signal is VTA1.
VTA1?
Yes, and it says here that I wired that to analog volt 1, so I need to reset that one because analog volt 1 is now set to MAP, and we are not running a MAP. Yeah, Tim readjusted some power to ECU, so live ECU data, runtime values, check general, see everything, and go ahead.
Ready?
Yep. Yep, you killed the ECU right away.
Why?
I'm not sure why. Something is very wrong
It's
that's
gotta be
happening
voltage.
when power is...
Taking power off again.
So we're quite certain that triggering the starter makes the voltage on the battery drop low enough to kill the ECU. So we're going to try that out. right now. Yeah, ECU is currently not connected.
Before the ECU disconnected, it said battery voltage 5.
5?
That's not good.
You just don't have a good power supply.
Yeah, we're gonna need a more reliable power source. Connected to the ECU now. It says battery voltage 11.5 on the ECU, which is already pretty low. I'm sure it's dipping below the acceptable voltage. I'm gonna watch the multimeter because I'm sure that's gonna cut out. So. It still went. We actually got engine speed. It worked.
It was from the ground.
So it was the ground. It's still really low voltage. Right now it says battery voltage 12.3 on there.
It's
but
pretty low. I mean, it went from 1290.
yeah, we'll have to charge the battery, but at least I know that I can watch this and actually get something
The
useful.
starter, the starter trigger work.
Give it another shot.
Ready?
Yeah.
Start position didn't work for some reason.
Well, their battery's really.
Yeah, we'll charge the battery and we'll do something else, and then we'll come back, try it again.
Walking back into the garage after eating a bowl of Shin Instant Ramen and watching a couple of cartoon MZ videos. Hopefully I can make a little bit more progress on the ECU here.
Let's see what we got for battery. It's got quite the surface charge on it.
Okay. That's okay, yeah, but much longer and we would have definitely overcharged this battery. 15 volts? Oh my god.
Alright, ending the day off.
Yeah.
Found out that our wiring is completely wrong.
A lot of it is.
So what we're gonna do, Jacob?
So we're gonna build a harness.
We're gonna do it all over again.
It's gonna be easier this time.
It will be easier this time.
There's 200 something
And
wires
then
in that
honestly,
harness.
hopefully we document it. We'll actually record us making the new one. But we'll just say that some of the injector wires are not where they're supposed to be.
It's like
And
200 something wires.
a bunch of other wires, you know, they're just not where they're supposed to be. So we're just gonna start over. We're gonna get rid of all this extra stuff. It was just unnecessary, unneeded, and just go through and use what we need. I mean, even this stuff here, there's a bunch of stuff we just don't even use. This connector as well. So we're just gonna simplify it, make it easier for everybody, make the wiring more reliable, and hopefully that works out for us. So we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.